Okay, today we're going to make use of vectors using the triangle law of vector. This is the one I want you all to be comfortable in. I'm supposed to sum A and B together. So let us start with A. So on my diagram, I have vector A. It's already on the diagram. But I need to continue with B to form a triangle. So if you can see the original vector B is a 2 to the right, followed by -4 going down 4 units. So I need to do so to my triangle law. So I move 2 to the right, then 4 units down. Alright, then I need to draw vector B. Okay, so I've inserted my vector B. Please remember to draw your arrow and vector B. Oh, my A and B are linked together now. So take note, this is the start point. This is the end point. From the start point to the end point, I need to draw my resultant vector. So after you draw your resultant vector, remember to include the arrow. Most of the time, the resultant vector is indicated by 2 arrows, and remember to write A plus B. So this is called the triangle law of vector in terms of addition. Okay, now from the diagram, please write down your column vector for A, B, and A plus B respectively. You can clearly from the diagram write down the respective column vector. This is not an issue. So we zoom into part 4. We are supposed to find the magnitude of the 3 column vector. Okay, you will realize after you get all the magnitude of the respective vectors, leave your answer, insert. They want you to explain whether A plus B is equal to the magnitude of A plus. So you realize in part 5, they are definitely not equal in terms of the magnitude. Alright, realize this one plus this one is not equal to the last one. Alright, okay, based on the raw values, they are not equal. Okay, in this vector question, I'm supposed to simplify. Think simple. So I'm starting from point P. I ended at point Q. But I continue from point Q to go on to point R. It's very obvious. The start point is P, the end point is R, and this will be my final vector. But from the diagram, how does it look? P to Q. Oh, teacher, move from P to Q. Then I move from Q to R. Again, oh, teacher, the start point is P. The end point is R. Actually, using your law of the triangle vectors, this will be your resultant starting from P to R. Okay, one method is just by the vector. The other method is by the diagram. Okay, very simple. Let me put SR into the diagram. Oh, teacher, S to R. Let me put PS in the diagram. P to S. It's very obvious. Based on the 2 arrows, my starting point is P. My end point is R. Oh, so if I start from P, N, and R, this answer will be the vector PR. This is from the diagram. Teacher, if no diagram is given, how can I simplify? Very simple. The middle 2 vectors must be the same. If they are not the same, cannot continue with the journey. So in order to make the middle 2 vectors the same, I rewrite lah. PS plus SR. Can you see that? I rewrite the order. Are my middle 2 vectors the same? Yes. My junction is the same, so I start with P, N, and R. Oh, I will get back the same answer as well. Alright? Okay, to be fast, let me put it into the diagram. So PR. Oh, I draw PR first. RS. PR. SQ. So where is my start point? P. Am I right? Where is my end point? Q. So what should be my resultant vector? P to Q. That's from the diagram.